In today's video, I'm going to give you a Smartsheet tutorial for beginners. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating directly to Smartsheet. As you access the Smartsheet platform, the first step is to ensure you're on the correct web page so that you can begin managing your projects efficiently. Once Smartsheet loads, your attention should be directed to the option that allows you to connect through your Google account. This method provides a streamlined way of logging in, especially if you have already used your Google credentials for other applications. When you see the prompt, click on the option labeled Google. This action will take you to a login prompt where you can select one of your Google accounts. After clicking on the Google option, the next action is to choose your Google account from the list of accounts that appear. Make sure to review the accounts carefully and select the one that you prefer to use for your work on Smartsheet. Selecting your Google account is a crucial step because it links your Smartsheet activity directly with your Google credentials, ensuring that your work and settings remain integrated. Once you have chosen the correct account, you will be brought to the main page where the user interface is organized into multiple panels and sections. Now that you have logged in successfully, you will notice that the left-hand side of the interface is populated with several navigation options. The panel on the left serves as the primary navigation area and is designed with efficiency in mind. At the top of this panel, you will find options such as Home, Notification, Search, Browse, Recent, Favorites, Resource Management, Work Apps, and Start a New Project. Each of these options plays a specific role in helping you navigate the Smartsheet environment and manage your projects and workspaces. Starting from the left, the Home section is your central hub where you can see all your workspaces and projects. This area is particularly useful because it gives you an organized view of all of your ongoing work. When you click on Home, you will be presented with an overview of every workspace you have created or joined. This makes it incredibly convenient to jump to any project without having to search for it manually. Beyond the Home section, another option is available, the option that allows you to begin a new project or program from scratch. This feature is designed to support users who wish to start a fresh initiative without relying on pre-existing templates or frameworks. Moving on within the left panel, you will also find Notification. By clicking on Notifications, you can access a dedicated space where all your alerts and updates are compiled. This is particularly useful for staying informed about any changes, comments, or requests that pertain to your projects. The Notification section is equipped with different tabs. In this area, you will see tabs named All and Requests. The All tab gathers every notification, ensuring that you do not overlook any important update, while the Requests tab is tailored to show specific requests that need your attention or action. Next in the left panel is the Search option. Clicking on Search opens a dialog box specifically designed to help you locate files, workspaces, or project components quickly. This feature is invaluable when you are working on multiple projects simultaneously and need to jump between them rapidly. The search dialog is simple yet effective, allowing you to enter keywords or project names to find the exact item you are looking for. Continuing through the left panel, you will observe the Browse option. The Browse function is dedicated to showing you an organized view of your work. Whether you are looking for specific sheets, reports, or even archived items, the Browse section allows you to navigate through your organized structure. Within this area, you will have different categories available to help you filter your work. You will find options that include work apps, sheets, workspaces, and even deleted items so that you can retrieve recently removed content if needed. Another useful tool located in the left panel is the Recent option. This function provides access to a list of files and projects that you have opened recently. The convenience factor here is significant as it lets you resume your work quickly if you have been off task or if you need to refer back to something you recently accessed. Meanwhile, the Favorites option is designed to let you create a personalized shortlist of workspaces or projects you have marked as important. When you click on Favorites, only those workspaces you have personally tagged as favorites will be displayed, allowing for a highly customized and efficient navigation experience. Delving further into the navigation options, you will find Resource Management next. This particular feature is geared towards resource planning within your organization. The Resource Management module enables you to oversee and allocate resources for different projects, providing an organized approach to managing your team and budget. However, it is important to note that access to this feature requires you to subscribe to a specific plan. If you are interested in exploring this tool but do not currently have the required plan, you will have the option to request a free trial by following the prompt located at the bottom of the Resource Management section. Continuing further along the left panel, the next option is Work Apps. By selecting Work Apps, you gain the ability to view the various applications you have installed or are shared with you. This area is particularly streamlined, offering a consolidated view of both your personal apps and those that have been shared within your team. The Work Apps section can be very useful if you frequently integrate different tools to enhance your project management tasks. As you near the bottom of the left-hand navigation panel, you will notice a prominent plus icon. This icon is the gateway to starting a new project or program. By clicking on the plus icon, you initiate a process that not only allows you to create a new project from scratch, but also enables you to choose from a variety of pre-built templates. These templates include options like a simple project plan or a project schedule management framework. Once you click on the plus icon, you can review the available templates and decide which option best suits your current project needs. This feature is especially beneficial for those who prefer a guided approach and want to rely on structured layouts to help manage their tasks efficiently. After exploring the option to create a project, you will shift your focus to another essential control in the interface, which is found at the bottom of the left panel. Here you will find the launcher. The launcher acts as a quick access panel to all your apps. By clicking on the launcher, you gain direct access to your favorite applications, which can simplify your workflow dramatically. The launcher is designed to be intuitive, making it easier to navigate through your various integrated tools and services without additional hassle. Not too far from the launcher, you will also see the Help option. Selecting Help brings you to a comprehensive support section where you can find articles, community support, forums, and even options for direct support if you encounter any difficulties. The Help feature is designed to provide immediate assistance and is tailored to offer resources that are relevant to the specific modules within Smartsheet. Whether you are a new user or looking to refine your skills, the Help option is instrumental in guiding you through any challenges you may face while working in the platform. Once you have acquainted yourself with the basic navigation and have explored the primary features in the left-hand panel, it is time to take action. Return to the plus icon and once again click it to select a new project template. This step is meant to help you begin creating a new project by using a structured template as a foundation. Once you have clicked on the plus icon, you will be presented with a list of templates to choose from. Look carefully through the options and select a template that best fits your planned project. The template options might include designs for simple project plans, detailed project schedules, or other specialized workflows that have been crafted to meet different organizational needs. When you have decided on the right template, you will see an option labeled Create from a Template. Selecting this option is the bridge between conceptualizing your project and putting it into an actionable format. By clicking the Create from a Template button, you are essentially initiating the project creation process where the chosen template will be loaded into an editable environment. This environment allows you to customize the project to your specific requirements. Once the template loads, your attention will return to the left side of the screen where a navigation panel is prominently displayed. On the left side you have navigation options such as Add, along with a view of your workspace items. This section is designed to help you manage all the content that is associated with your workspace. Within this area, you can make modifications, add new sections, or rearrange the order of your workspace items to better suit the evolving needs of your project. To complement the navigational functionality on the left, the right panel of the interface offers several additional controls that are key to managing your project details. On the right panel, you will find a variety of sections that are designed to enrich your project management experience. Among these are sections labeled Conversation, Attachments, Proofs, Brand Folder, Update Request, Publish, Activity Log, Summary, and Connector Workflow. Each section serves a specific purpose. For instance, the conversation area acts as an integrated messaging platform where team members can collaborate, share updates, and provide feedback directly within the project's workspace. This helps maintain a clear record of communication that is tied to specific tasks or milestones. The attachments feature is straightforward yet powerful. It gives you the capability to add documents, images, or other forms of media to your project. This means you can consolidate all relevant resources in one convenient location, which is essential for teams that rely on shared references to complete their work. The Proof section is typically used to store visual or textual proofs that are necessary to validate progress or final outputs in a project. It allows you to maintain a log of revisions or comparisons that can be reviewed at any time. In addition to these, many users utilize the brand folder for storing brand assets such as logos, brochures, or other design elements that need to be easily accessible throughout the life cycle of a project. The update request option makes it simple to solicit changes or approvals from stakeholders, reinforcing a smooth workflow by integrating request systems directly into your project management tool. If you need to share your project externally, the publish feature streamlines that process by allowing you to move your project details into a format that can be disseminated widely. Another key feature is the activity log. This section provides an audit trail of every action taken within the project, which is invaluable for both accountability and historical reference. For detailed insights into your project's evolution, the summary area offers an aggregated view of key project metrics and statuses. Finally, the connector workflow function plays a vital role in integrating your project with external systems, automating tasks, and ensuring that your project remains synchronized with other applications or data sources you rely on. Each of these features in the right panel works together to provide a comprehensive overview and management capabilities that are essential for successful project execution. The intuitive design of these controls ensures that as you build your project, all the necessary tools are immediately at your fingertips. It is important to take the time to explore each section so that you become fully familiar with the functional layout. Doing so will not only enhance your productivity, but will also help you leverage the full capabilities of the project management platform. As you continue to navigate through Smartsheet, it is reassuring to know that every piece of functionality has been included to provide a seamless experience. Every panel and option on the screen is designed with either collaboration, organization, or project execution in mind. Whether you are starting a new project using a template or switching to an overview mode by clicking home, the powerful integration of all these tools makes it easier than ever to keep track of your tasks and meet your deadlines. When you start a project by using the Create from a template option, make sure to customize your workspace according to the specific requirements of your project. Begin by adding any relevant information or details in the left-hand navigation area. Use the Add function to include necessary tasks, milestones, or notes. This careful organization is key to ensuring that your project remains clear and focused from the very beginning. At this point, it is useful to shift your perspective back to the larger interface view. The design philosophy behind Smartsheet is to blend simplicity with robust functionality. Each navigation option on the left and each control on the right work in tandem to support an all-encompassing project management environment. The seamless integration of these panels means that instead of juggling multiple tools or platforms, everything you need is accessible in one unified space. By now you may have explored options like Home, Notifications, Search, and Browse. Every one of these selections allows you to seamlessly transition between viewing your files, starting new initiatives, or catching up on recent activities. The feature that displays resources, whether through resource management or favorites, is designed to help streamline the frequent tasks you have as a project manager. In particular, the favorites section ensures that those projects you interact with the most are always just one click away. This small but effective detail can help you focus on what is truly important. Managing your project matters efficiently. The resource management function deserves a moment of special attention. It serves as a dedicated area for managing personnel, budgeting time, and organizing schedules within your organization. Because this is an advanced feature, it requires a certain level of subscription, but if you are new to the platform, there is an opportunity to explore a free trial option. Taking advantage of the trial can help you determine whether this resource planning tool fits the specific needs of your projects without initial financial commitment. Attention to detail is especially critical when you are collaborating with team members through Smartsheet. The interface is designed to support real-time collaboration, which means that the conversation feature becomes not just an add-on but an integral part of project communication. When you navigate to the conversation section in the right panel, you will notice that comments, inline updates, and even decisions made by team members are recorded. This fosters a transparent and collaborative atmosphere where everyone is on the same page. By using this feature effectively, you help ensure that your project stays on track and that no feedback or idea is ever left behind. As your projects evolve and require new modifications, the update request function allows you to invite revisions or input from other team members or stakeholders. This is an incredibly efficient way to keep your work current and responsive to feedback, especially on larger projects that may span several departments or even multiple teams. When an update is requested, it is automatically recorded and subsequent actions are logged in the activity log. This ensures there is a clear audit trail for every major change and decision, fostering a culture of accountability. The branding folder is another noteworthy aspect that proves its worth when you are managing multiple projects that require unified design elements. In this section, you can store logos, color schemes, fonts, and all other assets associated with your brand. Such centralized storage of assets helps maintain consistency across projects, making your presentations and outputs immediately recognizable and professionally aligned with your organizational identity. Navigating between these different controls and areas within Smartsheet should be done smoothly and with a focus on productivity. When you are ready to move forward with a specific project, utilizing the combination of both the left-hand navigation panels and the right-hand controls enables you to have a holistic view of all tasks, communications, and supporting documents. This dual panel layout does more than just organize your work. It empowers you to control every aspect of your projects in real time. Throughout your session, the intuitive design of the user interface means that whether you are switching to the favorite section or delving into the work apps area, you maintain an uninterrupted workflow. Each feature is designed with the end user in mind, ensuring that navigation remains straightforward despite the vast array of functions available. This level of usability is achieved by organizing related features close together, such as having both the plus icon for new projects and the launcher for quick app access positioned within easy reach on the left panel. Before concluding your exploration, it is important to revisit the help option. Even though the platform is designed to be user-friendly, you may encounter occasional uncertainties or technical challenges. The help section is always available to provide guidance on key topics. Whether you need to understand advanced functionalities or simply want to refresh your memory on basic operations, the help area is equipped with extensive resources including articles, community discussions, and interactive forums. Taking the time to explore these resources can greatly enhance your efficiency in using the tool. As you work through these areas, the process of starting a new project or refining an existing one becomes more intuitive. Having repeatedly engaged with the plus icon and the create from a template functionality, you begin to notice the small details that enhance the overall experience. The template-driven approach takes away much of the guesswork, ensuring that every project you launch starts off with a well-organized structure, complete with essential tasks, milestones, and sections pre-populated to guide your setup process. When you are engaged in creating a project, look at the right panel and appreciate the variety of tools that are at your disposal. The conversation and attachments areas are particularly useful for collaborative efforts. They provide a centralized space for all project-related communications and files. This feature is designed to prevent the fragmentation of essential information, ensuring that everything remains in one cohesive, accessible location. As your project continues to evolve, the activity log and summary sections provide ongoing reports that can be reviewed by you and your team to track progress and identify any bottlenecks early on. Understanding every feature of Smartsheet, from the initial step of logging in with your Google account to the final stages of reviewing your project summary and activity reports, reinforces the platform's commitment to creating an efficient, all-in-one project management environment. By integrating navigation options, communication channels, and project creation tools into a single cohesive interface, Smartsheet makes it easier for users to focus on what truly matters, getting work done. Keep in mind that every time you click on a navigation element or control within the interface, you are engaging with a set of tools that have been designed and integrated to boost your productivity. Whether you are switching from your home view to the notifications section or from the work apps area to your favorites, each interaction is a step towards a more organized and efficient workspace. The smooth transition between functions helps in minimizing any disruptions to your workflow, thereby ensuring that your project management tasks are carried out seamlessly. As you continue to familiarize yourself with this environment, note that the platform encourages you to experiment with the different areas in order to fully leverage its potential. For instance, spending a few moments exploring the Work Apps section may reveal additional tools or integrations that could further optimize your management process. Similarly, taking the time to configure the navigation items or rearrange your workspace items in the left panel can create a personalized workspace that adapts to your unique workflow. These small adjustments can make a significant difference in improving your overall efficiency and ease of access to the tools you frequently use. It is essential to keep exploring the nuances of the interface with the understanding that every action has been designed to offer you more control with less complexity. The clear division of features between the left and right panels serves as a backbone for the entire user experience, ensuring that whether you are managing projects, initiating new tasks, or reviewing completed work, every process is streamlined and logical. The design of this platform demonstrates a commitment to ease of navigation balanced with advanced functionalities that support a wide array of project management needs. Now that you have an overview of how to access and navigate the different sections of Smartsheet, the next focus is to ensure that you take full advantage of the communication and resource management tools that are integral to the platform. Once you are comfortable with the navigation through the left-hand panel, including Home, Notifications, Search, Browse, Recent, Favorites, Resource Management, and Work Apps, set aside some time to integrate these features into your regular workflow. Make it a habit to check your notifications frequently to ensure that no important update goes unnoticed, and use the search function to quickly locate any item without having to navigate through several folders manually. At the same time, consider how the recent and favorites functions work together to improve your efficiency. Regular projects often require that you revisit files and workspaces repeatedly, and the recent section serves as a quick reminder of what you were working on the last time you logged in. Similarly, by designating certain workspaces as favorites, you create a shortcut that saves time and minimizes the need to search through your entire list of projects every time you log into Smartsheet. When it comes time to initiate a new project, the process is intuitive and involves only the essential actions needed to get you started. You know that by clicking the plus icon and selecting from the available templates, you are immediately taken to a pre-built structure that encompasses all the necessary components for a well-managed project. This not only saves time in setting up from scratch, but also ensures that you are following best practices by leveraging a tried and tested template. Furthermore, once you have selected and created a project from a template, spend a few moments exploring the configuration options available in the left and right panels so you can fine-tune your new project according to your specific requirements. Notice that every interactive element in the interface serves a dual purpose: immediate action and continuous support for project development. For example, the launcher at the bottom of the left panel is not just a list of your apps, it acts as an access portal to a more integrated experience where you can switch to other important functions without leaving the Smartsheet environment. This seamless integration encourages a workflow where context switching is minimal and information remains centralized, thus reducing the cognitive load on the user. As you proceed with managing multiple projects, leverage the help section whenever you encounter concepts that are not immediately clear or when you desire a refresher on how to use a particular feature. The value of a well-organized support section cannot be overstated, as it is there to complement your increasing familiarity with the platform. The available articles, community discussions, and support forums provide a wealth of information that can help you troubleshoot minor issues or even inspire new ways to optimize your workflow. Additionally, the integration of advanced features such as resource management, while optional, can be transformative for larger teams or more complex projects. Even though this feature may require a specific plan, the opportunity to try a free trial allows you to experience its potential benefits without a significant commitment. By using resource management effectively, you can allocate team members to tasks more efficiently, keep track of resource usage, and plan your project timeline with greater accuracy. This holistic approach not only improves project outcomes, but also enhances the overall coordination among team members. In summary, this detailed walkthrough of the Smartsheet interface, from logging in via your Google account, exploring the navigation options such as Home, Notifications, Search, Browse, Recent, Favorites, Resource Management, and Work Apps, to creating a new project using the plus icon and templates, provides a robust foundation for managing your projects. The combination of intuitive navigation, well-organized workspaces, and a comprehensive set of features in the right-hand control panel all come together to create a platform that is both powerful and user-friendly. By carefully following each step and allowing yourself time to familiarize with each section, you can maximize your efficiency and ensure that every project you embark on is given the structure it needs to succeed. The Smartsheet platform is designed to grow with you, adapting to the needs of both simple projects and complex multi-layered programs. Embrace the opportunity to adjust and experiment with the interface, and let the intuitive design guide you toward a smoother, more productive project management experience. Taking full advantage of the features available, you can begin your journey with a clear pathway, starting from identifying your login method and navigation principles, all the way through to project creation and collaborative management with your team. Each element, whether it is the easy to use conversation section or the detailed activity log, adds a layer of support to your daily workflow. With consistent use, these tools not only simplify the management process, but also provide important insights that drive continuous improvement. This comprehensive guide has now outlined every essential step in navigating and using the platform. By integrating every component of the user interface, from the initial login with your Google account, and then shifting effortlessly through the home, notifications, search, browse, recent, and favorite screens, to utilizing advanced functions such as resource management, work apps, and finally launching a new project via the plus icon, you are now equipped to maneuver through Smartsheet with confidence. The various features in the right panel further enhance your ability to communicate with your team, attach necessary files, track activity, and synchronize external workflows. Each feature is purpose-crafted to support you at different stages of your project lifecycle, ensuring that your endeavors are as organized and efficient as possible. Remember to revisit the help section at any point if new questions or challenges arise. With continued use and exploration, you will discover more about Smartsheet's capabilities, unlocking new efficiencies and insights that can lead to transformative improvements in managing tasks and accomplishing your project goals. Enjoy the smooth, integrated experience that Smartsheet offers, and let each feature guide you towards successful project completion as you create, manage, and optimize every stage of your work.